Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to handle Datepicker in Selenium. Start by opening the target page and inspecting the date input element. Then decide whether to use send keys, execute JavaScript to set the value, or interact with the visible calendar widget directly. Consider accessibility, localization, and time zone effects when picking your approach. I will guide you through examples, pros and cons, and reliable techniques for stable automated tests. In this video, I will explain how to handle Datepicker in Selenium. Use send keys when the field accepts typed dates in a stable format, and prefer explicit waits before and after typing to ensure events trigger. For read-only or hidden inputs, running JavaScript to set the value and dispatch an input event can be the most reliable option. When a calendar pop-up is required, script clicks on month navigation and the specific day element to mirror user actions. In this video, I will explain how to handle Datepicker in Selenium. Expect timing problems when calendars animate or load asynchronously, so use explicit waits and check element visibility before interacting. Watch for localization differences that alter format, calendar layout, or weekday order, and adapt parsing accordingly. For read-only inputs, avoid send keys and instead set the value via script and trigger change events, so application listeners run as expected for reliable automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.